Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 sentences about if I were a queen. Number 1. I wish I were a queen. Number 2. I would sit on a grand throne. Number 3. I would love to wear a majestic crown. Number 4. I would strive for peace. Number 5. Taxes would be fair for all. Number 6. I would have loyal warriors. Number 7. The land would prosper under my reign. Number 8. I would always listen to the people's needs. Number 9. I would make sure all had a place. Number 10. If I were a queen, I would rule with grace and justice. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.